Hi, I'm David from Great Deal Motors. Well, I've been in the industry 30 years now and I've been using the Trading Post that whole time. Actually, I can remember rushing to get copy ready for the next edition of the paper. Back then it was vital to have a presence in the paper, and here I am now 30 years later, still using Trading Post, but now on the internet. Well, with the Trading Post Technologies pack, we've taken 3 of their products, which is our main website, our mobile site, and a Facebook site. Well, we're all getting on a bit now, and Facebook's a bit new for us, but it's been quite a surprise. It's been fun. They've helped us develop this page. The support team have been great. They've been helping us do all that. We're finding that people are interacting with our Facebook page and putting positive comments and just enjoying part of buying a car from us. It's been excellent. What I've found quite surprising about the Facebook site is just how good my stock looks on it. It really comes up quite well, and it's very quick, and there's the car. It's just fantastic. Well, the mobile sites turn out to be a big bonus for us. Most of the inquiry generally comes through from a mobile phone, and I just SMS them with a link to the mobile site, and from there they can call us, get directions, check our stock, read other people's reviews of us. It's very, very, very important. Well, we're off the beaten track, so internet exposure is critical to us. Trading Post has helped us generate more inquiries, but also more specific inquiries, which allows me to run a small team and making it extremely cost effective. Technology moved fairly quickly, so it was great to get a rep with lots of industry experience, knew what we wanted to achieve, and got it implemented for us quickly and easily.